Good morning, dear students. Now we are starting the other pituitary hormones, anti-pituitary hormones. Example is a prolactin. Prolactin is a hormone from the milk synthesis. It also influences the development of the mammary gland and reproductive function and the immune responses. 4-5 are important functions of the prolactin hormone. Important hormone of the milk synthesis. मिल्क इजेक्शन के लिए कौन सा हार्मोन है? प्रोलैक्टिन, ऑक्सीटोसिन हार्मोन. So the prolactin is secreted from the lactotroph cells of the anterior pituitary, and these cells are increased during the pregnancy, lactation, and estrogen therapy when given. This is a polypeptide hormone. So anterior pituitary, all hormones are polypeptide hormones containing 198 amino acids. Prolactin is synthesized like other hormones, pre-prolactin that forms the proprolactin, which finally forms the prolactin hormone. After synthesis, the hormone is stored in the granules of the lactotrophs. On appropriate stimulation, it secreted into the circulation. Regulation of the hypothalamus is prolactin secretion increases steadily during later part of the pregnancy and when attained at a term. So, help in regulation of the milk synthesis. Different factors increase the prolactin secretion, like prolactin release hormone, which is synthesized and released from the hypothalamus, thyroid releasing hormone, pregnancy, estrogen therapy, nursing, breastfeeding, sleep, stress, angiotensin 2, oxytocin. These are the hormones which increase the prolactin secretion, while the dopamine is agonist, somatostatin, prolactin hormone. These are inhibit the prolactin secretion, and the prolactin secretion is controlled by a negative feedback mechanism. As we can see it in this diagram, hypothalamus release the prolactin releasing factor, thyroid releasing factor, which stimulate the lactotroph cells, the anterior pituitary, which secrete the prolactin, while the prolactin go and act on hypothalamus and inhibit the hypothalamus to release all these things. Dopamine and somatostatin hormones inhibit the lactotroph cells and inhibit the prolactin hormone. What is the mechanism of action? Similar as a growth hormone, prolactin hormone is attached with the prolactin receptor and causing the dimerization, and through the Jack state signal pathway it act on DNA and mRNA. Protein synthesis occurs, transcription से mRNA बनता है, translation से protein बनती है, and these protein will go outside the cell and help in different physiological functions and produce the milk synthesis. Physiological effects. The primary function of prolactin is to stimulate the milk synthesis and secretion. Breast, it helps in development of the breast, hyperplasia of the breast tissue before and after the puberty, and also cause hyperplasia of the breast tissue during pregnancy and lactation. In female, prolactin concentration in plasma inhibits the hypothalamic guanylate secretion. Therefore, the concentration of LH and FSH decreases during the lactation period. So, prevent ovulation and cause amenorrhea in lactating mother, that called lactational amenorrhea. That means if lactating mother is feeding the baby, then this hormone causes prevent ovulation and amenorrhea. This all prolactin is synthesized immunocytes, giving the immunity. Also synthesize the synlectin, intermediate growth factor, which secretes from the liver. Synlectin is statistically analog to the somatomedin and functionally analog to the prolactin. Therefore, it is believed that prolactin indirectly stimulates the growth. Amenorrhea galactoria syndrome. Excess secretion of prolactin causes the tumor of lactotrophs. Hyperprolactinemia causes amenorrhea and infertility. And this also causes the increased milk secretion in the absence of pregnancy and postpartum lactational state. Therefore, the condition is called amenorrhea galactoria syndrome. Causes are hypothalamic tumor or pituitary tumor. Diagnosis can be made by the high plasma level and CT and MRI of the pituitary glands. Treated by dopaminergic drugs which inhibit the secretion of prolactin and restore the fertility and libido. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH hormone. Detail we can study in the thyroid hormone when we study the thyroid gland. It is also a glycoprotein or peptide hormone that controls the growth and function of the thyroid gland. It has a two subunit. Alpha subunit is having 96 amino acids and beta subunit having M and can provide a specificity of the TSH. TSH is secreted from the thyroid troughs of the antipituitary glands. Synthesis is like other pituitary hormones. Mechanism action exerted on the thyroid cells by increasing concentration of intracellular cyclic AMP as a second messenger. TSH promotes the growth of thyroid gland and stimulates the thyroid hormone synthesis and secretion in all the steps of the thyroid hormone synthesis. TSH acts almost in all steps of thyroid hormone synthesis. Thyroid hormone decrease. TSH decrease to the pituitary disease resulting in thyroid atrophy and decreased secretion of thyroid hormone causing the secondary hypothyroidism or hypopituitarism, pituitary hypothyroidism. In chronic increase in TSH secretion result in hypertrophy of the thyroid gland cause goiter. ACTH hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormones, are important hormones that control the growth and secretion of the adrenal cortex gland. Mainly influence the secretion of cortisol. ACTH play an important role in the physiology of stress and pathophysiology of the stress disorders. This hormone is also secreted from the corticotropes of the anteropituitary gland. ACTH is the smallest peptide hormone which is containing 39 of the amino acids. Like other hormones, this is the same. Circadian rhythm of ACTH. Normally, the ACTH hormone is increased at the 8 a.m. in the morning. Normally, ACTH secretion occur in irregular bursts. Pulsatile secretion of the ACTH due to the several bursts of the corticotropin releasing hormone secretion in 24 hours. So there is a prominent diurnal rhythm of ACTH secretion in which secretion is more in the early morning. Secretion is more in the early morning. Constitutes 75% of the total our secretion. Secretion begins to rise at 4 a.m. and peak at 7 to 10 a.m. and fall slowly to basal layer by the noon. Noon तक कम हो जाता है. The secretion is minimal when the person sleeps, especially in the midnight when they are usually in deep sleep. Diurnal variation in the ACTH secretion is due to the natural sleep-wake cycle controlled by inherent biological rhythm of the suprachiasmatic nuclei of the hypothalamus. You already may have discussed the circadian rhythm in hypothalamus when we have discussed the sir, Dr. Kiran Dharal sir had discussed the hypothalamus. So you well know what is the circadian rhythm, and ACTH hormone is having a role in the circadian rhythm. Regulation of ACTH hormone by the negative feedback mechanism. With this graph you can go for. Stress and ACTH hormone. Stress and hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis are closely associated. Stress profoundly influences the neuroendocrine axis. Increased ACTH secretion is an immediate response of the body to any form of stress. Therefore, stress is defined as a condition that results in increased ACTH in plasma. Due to increased ACTH secretion, glucocorticoids secretion increases rapidly in spite of increased cortical secretion. ACTH secretion continue to remain high due to the direct stimulation of hypopituitary adrenal axis by neurally mediated stimulation of hypothalamic paraventricular nucleus that secrete the CRH. In stress, higher brain center stimulate the hypothalamic nuclei to secrete the corticotropic releasing hormone at the higher rate. Thus, stress-induced CRH release override the negative feedback. Even there is a ACTH hormone is high in level, even then stress can increase this CRH level. If stress continues, glucocorticoid concentration remains high and the mechanism of negative feedback controls operates at a higher set point. Mechanism of action act primarily by increasing cyclic AMP. So cyclic AMP is a second messenger. So it is a peptide hormone, so mechanism of action is almost same. Functions of the ACTH hormone. ACTH stimulates synthesis and secretion of the cortisol and other steroid hormones from the adrenal cortex. ACTH has intrinsic MSH activity. The receptors of ACTH is also present in the GI tract and brain, where it is act as an local neurotransmitters. ACTH influences immunity by controlling the secretion of cytokine from the lymphocytes. LH and FSH hormones are called gonadotropins as they regulate growth and development of the gonads, puberty, maturation, and secretion of sex steroids. They are also peptide hormone. They secrete from the gonadotropes of the pituitary glands. Synthesis of FSH is produced by the same gonadotropins, and carbide moiety of the molecular variety is almost same. Synthesis is also same structure. They are peptide hormones, and the cells are different for the different hormones of the pituitary and pituitary. Regulation with the negative feedback mechanism. Regulation of the gonadotropins is complex phenomena. The secretion of gonadotropin can be pulsatile, periodic, diurnal, seasonal, and cyclic. However, secretion of both the hormone is mainly controlled by gonadotropin releasing hormone that is secreted from the hypothalamus. Gonadotropin releasing hormone is influenced by the various psychological, emotional, and chemical factors. Noradrenaline, norepinephrine, and stimulate the dopamine. FSH and LH secretion is regulated by feedback inhibition through the gonadal hormones such as testosterone. Thank you for the